Element methods. There are 9 element methods that can be used in a LINQ query. These are first or default, last or default, single or default, and default if empty. In the next videos I will explain these methods. But before that, let's understand what do these methods in general mean. Element methods are used to return an element from a sequence using one of the following 2 options. Either using the element index, for example the element at index number 3. Or based on a predicate. Here we set a condition, and we get the element that meets the condition. So, element methods are used to return a single element from a data source. For example, to return the first element from a sequence, or to return the last element from a sequence. The result is always only one element. In summary, we have a data source consisting of different elements. We set an element method to return a specific element. As a result, we will get only one element using the given index, or the one element that meets the given condition. This is what do element methods mean.